Just a scribble with a pencil on a light bulb, and you thank me. I stopped wasting my money. That's right, folks. You've probably thrown away a bulb like this before, just because it was burned out, right? But from now on, you won't do that anymore. What not everyone knows is that this bulb is made of plastic, and you can remove it. See, it's just a weak glue that holds it. Now you see these little squares here? These are the LEDs. And how does this bulb work? If one of them burns out, it stops working. So what do you need to do then? First, you need to identify which LED is burned out. Here I can already see it. See this one here. In 90% of times, you see this black dot. See it? Now what you have to do is take some object and remove all this yellow part of the LED, alright? Scrape it until all the metal part is exposed. And now this is how it's gonna look like. See? Just the metal. And now folks, all we're gonna need is this. A pencil. That's right. Let me show you guys. I'll put the bulb here in the socket. And plug it in. Check this out. When I touch the pencil to the removed LED, see what happens? That's pretty cool, right? Alright, if you guys didn't know, the pencil, the graphite actually, is also a conductor of electricity. And that's exactly what we need here. First, take the bulb and, on top of the removed LED, which was burned out, just go ahead and scribble on it. Scribble with a pencil right on top, making sure to cover the LED with graphite. Alright folks, after scribbling on the burnout LED, now let's test the bulb. And look, it's working again. That's amazing. Now, just put the cover back on and you can already use the bulb again at home. But if you prefer, instead of scribbling with a pencil, you can also break a piece of graphite and secure it with a piece of electrical tape. But both methods will work. So that's it folks. If you have burnout LED bulbs at home, don't throw them away. Just do this and you'll be able to restore your bulb. And without spending absolutely nothing.